Okay, let's continue. Just now we stop at the mixing between the character and the string. Yeah, so if you put the print with the plus, yeah, you will get an error. But if you put with the comma, this will automatically cast or convert the integer, yeah, into the string. So this one is okay. Yeah, you see, that's fine. Yeah, and it automatically give the space in between, so you don't need this one. You don't need this. Yeah? So it will be separated by the space. Okay, let's go back to the. Okay, so this is fine. Yeah, separately. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is also all are the string. This is also just all string. Numeric. Yeah. And now it get the new value. Yeah, from 0 to 9. This one have the problem because the new message is the integer type 9. Yeah, and you want to add with the string, so you get an error. Yeah. So you cannot mix between the numeric and string in the plus operator. This one is fine. Yeah, this is okay. But this one is not okay. It will raise the error. Okay, so the plus operator support the string plus string or integer plus integer or any other numeric. Yeah, like a float with integer is okay. For example, like this. Uh, quantity, yeah, quantity equal to 10. Okay, and then after that the price equal to 5.5 like this. Yeah? So you would like to print or a quantity plus price. Yeah? This one is a integer. This one is a float. Yeah. So this one is okay. No problem. Yeah. And then or for example amount, yeah, equal to quantity multiplied by price like this. Okay. So you want to print, yeah, amount. Run. Okay, 55. Yeah. So type of the amount. Okay. Float. Yeah. So quantity integer times float become float. Okay. Fix type error. Okay. 3 plus 45. That's all right. Yeah. Yeah. This one is a school number 1 to 3. Yeah. So if previously I think this one is like this. Yeah. For example, so you need to fix the error. You have to remove this. Okay. What happen if, for example, like this? Like this. Yeah. What is the output, guys? When I change this total cost equal to the 3 plus 45 above in the double quote, yeah, what will be the output? Three, four, five. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, the output is 3, 4, 5 like this. Yeah, just concatenate it. Yeah. Okay, so 3.3 is a float, 3 is an integer, and then this one is a 6.3. Yeah. Okay, let's see here the code. Yeah. What is the error? The error is it didn't open and close with the correct code. Yeah, you see here, different. Yeah. So you have to fix by changing this to the single quote or this to the double quote. Okay. This one is wrong. Yeah. So you have to put the print like this. Yeah. That's a syntax error. Okay. This is a miss the closing bracket like this. Okay. Then explain error to partner often reveals solutions. Yeah. Okay. So repair the syntax error. Print my socks. Okay. This one is nothing. Already been repaired. Yeah. Okay. So after you learn this, then you would like to maybe practice. Yeah. Can I have a file for practice? Yeah. No solution. Then I can search for the solution. Yeah. Yes. Okay, so I give you the practice file, which is you open a file, after that open file and go to the problems. Yeah. Okay. Required mode for the intro module 1. Yeah. Click open. This one no solution. Yeah, you have to fix it yourself. Yeah. Or this one. Yeah. No, no, no. We have not practiced that. Oh, sorry, not this one. Yeah. Okay. We have not learned about the input. So let me wrong file. File open. Practice. We don't have the practice 1.5. Let me check this 1.5. Okay. I will give you the practice later. Yeah, but let's continue with the last topics. Yeah. The last topics is about printing the character art. Yeah. Character art. What is character art? Yeah. It's basically printing the like A like this. Yeah. This is A. Yeah. This is character art. I see here. L. Yeah. Okay. That's not very important. Yeah. Print a fee. So using the normal character, but to print in the command some graphics. Yeah. E. Yeah. So E like this. Yeah. That's character art. So just use a print after that the space and the character. Nothing important for here. Okay, now I'm going to give you the exercise and the exercise file. You can do it at your own time. But if you have any problem, you can contact me for the guidelines. Okay, wait. Where is the practice? Give me a second. Let me find the file. Intro for beginner. Okay, here. No, yeah. This file don't have the practice. Okay, later I'll create for you. No problem. Yeah, I can create for you. Okay, wait. Practical. Okay, maybe next time lah. Yeah, not today. Okay, guys, any questions for the intro for the first Python? If not, then we continue. There is one very good book, yeah, in learning Python, and there are a lot of practice you can find there. The name is this downloadable free, yeah, from the internet. Learn Python hard way. Okay, download PDF. Okay, yeah, the link is here. Uh, I give you the link in the chat. Okay, so after you open, then this is the book, the third edition. Okay, then it contains all the exercises. So you go to the exercise 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay. Do we have the pointer? Yeah. Okay. Here you copy. Yeah. And then after that, do it. Yeah. You can run this in the Jupyter Notebook directly. Okay. Yeah. For example, this code you copy. Of course, you have to remove the instruction is asking you to type. Yeah, but if too simple, you can skip the typing, just copy paste. File, new notebook, and then after that the Python. Someone can post in the Telegram the link for downloading the Learn Python in a hard way. Okay, like this, yeah. So you remove the line number. Okay, then oh yeah. So by the way, this command need a bracket. Yeah. So in the example, it's didn't have the bracket, but for the Python, you need to put the bracket like this. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Thanks for sharing in the Telegram. Okay, good. Okay. Villa upload the PDF, yeah, so can download directly. Okay, a lot of exercises in this book, and you just go through the exercises. Where was the PDF just now? Okay, yeah, then create a comment and a pawn characters, yeah. Okay. So in this example, the print command does not have the bracket, yeah, but for the Anaconda, you have to put the bracket open and closing. Variable name, yeah, okay. Printing, string and text, okay. Yep, that's very good for your study to practice. Okay, now continue with the second module. Yeah, module 2. So I target to complete the 2.1, 2.2, 2.3 to 4 today. Yeah, so we can finish this in 1 week or 2 weeks. Yeah, 1.5 weeks. So I can spend more time for the intermediate and advanced level. Okay, before we go to the input, I would like to show the demo mixing between the single quote and the double quote. Okay, what is the meaning? Okay, like this. I have a very nice quote from the movie that I watched. Yeah, the quote is like this. Uh, Happiness is only true when it is a share. Yeah. So if you yourself feeling or feel happy, but you don't share, then it's not the real happiness. Yeah. Okay. I think I watched that. I caught that in one of the movie that I. Okay. So happiness is true when it is a share. Okay. Yeah. So real when it is real. Yeah. Okay, so this one is from the Christopher McCandless. Yeah? There was a story, the movie about this. Yeah? Okay, the guy that very brilliant, yeah, but decided to move in the live in the wild life Alaska. Yeah, but he found that. Yeah? Okay, so if I would like to print this code, yeah, then what happened is like this. So I only get this, yeah. But if I want to include this one, yeah, then I can put like this. I want to include the double quote in my code, like this. Then you see, now I have this double quote. Yeah. Other is, for example, I want to print Ryan's notebook. Yeah. For example, Mrs. One is equal to the Ryan's notebook. Yeah. Okay, so this must be put in the double quote. Yeah, so if I print Mrs. One, then I get the single quote. Yeah, without that, then it will be error. Yeah, so you cannot, for example, print Ryan's notebook directly inside the bracket. So if you want to include the double quote, then you have to put into the single quote outside. Yeah, but if you want to include the single quote, you have to put the double quote outside. That's a trick. Yeah. Okay. That's to combine between the single quote and a double quote. Now let's just now we learned about the output, yeah, to print something. Now we would like to get the user to key in something. Yeah, we use the input. Okay, so input is the command to request the user to key in something with the keyboard. Yeah, for example, print enter small integer. Okay, I run this. Yeah, then after that here input, yeah, user need to do something. Yeah, so I put the, for example, number 5 like this. Yeah, enter. Yeah, then print small integer input. Yeah, so input is waiting for the user to key in something. Okay. So you run again. Yeah, so enter small integer. Then normally you would like to put this box just right beside this enter small integer. Yeah, that's nicer. Yeah, if we move this. Okay, by the way, to cancel, you have to stop. Yeah? If not, you have to key in something. Otherwise, it's still waiting for you to key in something. You can input asking the user to key in something and at the same time assign to the variable. So the what user type will be stored into the variable name student name like this. Yeah. For example, Ryan. Okay. The type of student name is a string. Okay. Then 45. Yeah. Also string. Okay. So whatever user key in the keyboard. Yeah. Like for example 7.3. Yeah. It will be treated as a string. If you want to do the operation, then you have to convert into the numeric. Yeah? If you want to add or multiply, yeah? Which we're going to learn later. Okay, so this is combining between the print, the text, and then asking the user to input something. Okay, we're going to change this later, yeah, to make it simpler, yeah, by putting into the single line. Okay, this one, yeah. Student name equal to the input enter student name. This one is nicer because now it is in the single line. Yeah. Okay. So let's open this. Yeah. So for example, I would like to ask you to key in your age. Yeah. Name and age. So I do it like this. First, okay. So first name equal to input. Okay. Then type your first name. Okay, yeah. Then after that, age, input, type your age. In a number. Okay, yeah. So maybe you put the double colon, yeah, like this, yeah. So run. So it will ask me, yeah. Type your first name, Ryan. Then type your age in number 58. Okay. Of course, you want to print after that, yeah. So I put here, then print first name, comma, age. Okay, yeah. So run again. Type your first name is Ryan 58. Okay, so you got this, yeah. Input and output. Okay, I copy this to chat. Okay, that's to combine, yeah, between both. Now let's see other code. Yeah, for example, number one, input type first number. Okay, yeah. Then number two, input type second number. Okay, then after that, you put print number one plus number two equal, then comma, number one plus number two, like this, yeah. Okay, so we run this, then you first number, for example, 5, yeah. Second number 3. Okay. Unfortunately, this one is not what we need, yeah, because what we need is 8, yeah. So then because this happened because everything that user input is a string. Okay, then you need to perform the converting, yeah, the what you call the casting, yeah. So in the WW3 school, yeah, you can see the Python programming. Okay, so this is also you can post in the Telegram. Yeah. So Python function. Yeah. Python casting. Yeah. So you use this casting like integer, yeah, float, yeah. Okay. So let's go back here. So I can put like this integer and then integer, or I can copy the original one. This is without integer. Like this, yeah. Integer number one, integer number two. Okay, like this. Okay, so now run, yeah. 5 and then 3. Okay, so this is the correct one. Yeah. So use the integer to convert to cast. Yeah. Casting is the changing the type, yeah, from the string to the number. Okay, but now let's focus on the input. Yeah, input. So all the input will be in a string format. If you want to do the other operation for the different type, then you have to do the casting. Okay, let's go back. Multiple prompt for the user input. Yeah, okay. For example, you want to collect the name, age, and one email. Yeah, yes or no. Yeah, okay. So you see name, age, get email. So 3 input. Yeah. Okay. Any question about the input? So now you have learned about how to get the input, yeah, from the Python. So these two are very, very important. Input and then print. Yeah, input to get the user input. Print is to print or display in the console, in the output, standard output. Okay, now continue with the second notebook, module 2. Print formatting. Okay, this one is I already explained to you the print formatting. So if you put a plus, yeah, it will check the type, yeah. But if it is comma, then it does not. Okay, for example, like this, yeah. Hello plus name plus exclamation mark, yeah, this one. Then print also can, yeah. Print with a comma here. Okay. So for the comma, it will be automatically assigned the space. So here in the hello, you put a space because you use a plus, yeah. Plus no space. So you put space here. But the comma, it will add the space directly. Okay, yeah. Hi, this is me. Yeah, this is plus. This okay, yeah, if same type. Yeah. If it is same type, all string or okay. But for example, number, yeah, equal to 5 like this, yeah. Or just like this. You put it's me. After that, you put 5 like this. This cannot run. Yeah, cannot run because the 5 is a number. This is all string. You have to put like this. Okay, yeah. Then this okay. Put 5. But if the same code like this, yeah, then you use a comma, yeah. You can keep the number like this, no problem, yeah. So run, that's okay. This comma will convert the other type to the string automatically, and it will add the space. So this one is unnecessary. Okay. Yeah, so the cast is to convert, yeah, into the many or into the different tab. So the list of the cast function is here in the W3 school. You see here in the year, yeah, to convert string to integer, float to convert the string to the float, and then other is the string is to convert other to string. Okay, yeah, yeah, thank you. Okay, now this one, yeah, mix between the string and the number. This one is all fine, no problem, yeah, because using the comma. Okay, so if you want to mix printing the string and a number, then use the comma. Don't use the plus. Okay, you can mix the literal number, yeah, or the variable. Okay, program, yeah, how many for the training? Create a program that prints out the reservation for the training class, gather the name of the party, the number attending, and the time. Yeah, okay. So you need to uh, gather input. Yeah. So how many, yeah, owner, yeah, who is reserving this class? How many people? Yeah, training time. Yeah. Create integer variable minimum early and hardcode the integer value. For example, 5, 10, or 15. Yeah. Okay. So after that, you print it. Yeah, this is example. Okay. Number 3. Yep. Quote inside the string, Boolean string test method. Okay, let's see here. Test the string character. Yeah. So, yeah. Okay, I already explained to you. Yeah. If you want to print a single quote, you must wrap it into the double quote. Yeah. If you want to print the double quote, you have to wrap it into the single quote. Yeah. Okay, so we have this. Yeah, you want to print, so you have to put into the double quote. And there was a quote here. Yeah, I said to the class, sometimes you need to shut down and restart the notebook when cell refuse to run. Okay, this is a double quote, and a single quote, single quote. Okay, run it. Yeah. Where is the homework? Yeah, okay, single quote, you have to quote into the double. Okay, here, checking. Yeah. Checking is with the function that started with the is, yeah. Is alpha, is alnum, is title, is digit, yeah. Alpha is a alphabet, yeah. A, B, C, D, lowercase, uppercase. Alnum is a alphanumeric, yeah. Alphabet A, B, C, D until Z, and number 0 to 9. Lowercase, uppercase, yeah. Title is the first character, uppercase. Digit only contains the number. Lowercase, uppercase, yeah, and then starts with. Okay, let's look at here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, okay. So I'm going to add the cell here. Okay, yeah. So is alpha. Yeah. So name equal to Blackpink. Okay, like this. So print name dot is alpha. Okay, yeah. So run. Pause. Yeah. Okay. So alpha, name is alpha. Okay. Then print is alnum. Yeah. Okay. I copy this. Okay. Run. Wait. I think this one is alpha. Wait. Name like this. No. So name is alpha. No. Name is alpha is not defined. Okay. Let's look at the sample. uh, Casting type, data types. Yeah. Okay. Wait. Okay. Yep. So txt company X, txt is alpha. Okay. Is alpha method returns a true if all the characters are alphabet letters A to Z. Yeah. Okay. So this is a function. So that's the reason why you have to put the bracket. Yeah. So bracket is basically telling you that this is a function of the string characters. Yeah. Okay, so company 10 is alpha is wrong, yeah. But if you put the just like this company, yeah, true, yeah, because all the lowercase A to Z, okay. But if you put like this, true, okay. Okay, so alphabet, yeah, as long as uh, ABCD lowercase or uppercase. Okay, so do you know why? Let me ask you, yeah, do you know why this is false? Why this Blackpink al is alpha, name is alpha? Yeah, sorry, this is correct. Why it is false? Okay, yeah, like this, run. Okay, so the print name is alpha. You have to put a bracket like this. Yeah. Okay, false. Yeah. You know why it is false? You know why is it false? Yes, there is a space, correct. Yeah. So if you remove the space here, then you run, then it's true. So space is not the alphabet. Yeah? Alphabet is can be uppercase or the lowercase. So you can check this is upper, is lower. Yeah. Okay, I think soon the session will be ended. Yeah. So you know what you need to do if you want to practice. You go to the Learn Python the hard way, and there are many. Yeah. Or you go through this notebook. Okay. So there is one more that I might not be able to cover in the 3 minutes. Yeah. But let's look. I think most of yeah, string formatting. Yeah, this one is already covered. Yeah, capitalized, lower, uppercase. Yeah, so it's basically changing the like this is a capitalized. Yeah, you want to change everything to the yeah. The first character is changed to the if it is lowercase become uppercase. Oh, sorry. Capitalized is the first character is capital. Yeah, the rest is lowercase. And then upper, lower. Yeah, so that's the this one is a capitalized green, yeah, favorite color. And then after that, this is the original value. And then upper, yeah, upper is to change to the uppercase. Okay, example of the capitalized lower upper swap case. Yeah. So I think this all you can learn yourself. Yeah, quite straightforward. Only about the uppercase, lowercase. Okay, let's see here the error. Yeah, no, this one is already fixed. Okay. Yeah, I think one last minute. Any question, guys? So you know what to do after this, after lesson. If you want to practice, you go to the Learn Python the hard way. And the difference is only when you print in the book, there is no bracket. In Jupyter, you need to put the bracket. Okay, then you have already we have already covered the topics until the print input. Okay, so in the download, here you go. Okay, we already up to the input, yeah, prompting people, name variable code, okay, until 19, yeah. So 20, we have not learned about function. Function is a module 3. I'll do it tomorrow. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice Saturday, and I see you again tomorrow morning with more about the Python function. Yeah, so at least today you can start something. Okay, everyone. Thank you. Happy weekend.